Hi everyone, I'm Chris Maher. I'm responsible for HPC software development at IBM. And so I've got 3 slides to take you through here. The first discusses IBM's vision and our view of the market. So what our vision for us to accomplish is we are really working to help clients transform their technical computing infrastructure to gain better insights, to accelerate results. That's really what we're about. And we do that in a lot of different ways. We work with a lot of different products and services to do that. We think about this market in sort of 2 big lumps. One is supercomputing, which is helping large government organizations and large labs solve grand challenge problems to get breakthrough results, to get incredibly new insights about the world. And the other we call mainstream technical computing, which is really to enable a large community of scientific, engineering, or other analytic users to not only gain insight, but to really incorporate HPC techniques, technical computing techniques, into their operations, into how they get their business done, whether it be to get a product to market much more quickly because they can do simulation instead of expensive experiments, whether it be to manage their credit risk by installing large financial grids and very efficiently calculating credit risk, or other kinds of things. And we see these areas feeding on each other. They are separate segments, but they really connect to each other. The innovation that's done on the high end to get large-scale breakthroughs really teaches the broader industry how to get extreme levels of parallelization, for example. Or how to manage their environments, extremely large environments. In mainstream technical computing, there's much more of a focus on usability, on reaching a broader audience, and sometimes on very high degrees of reliability because these are really baked into the fabric of their organization. And we support this with a substantial research and development budget, over $6 billion, a large number of patents, and a huge technical workforce across the globe working to solve a lot of different problems in a lot of different segments. We're represented in many dimensions, leadership dimensions on the top 500, on the emerging lists of like the Green 500, and the very new emerging lists of things like the Graph 500. And we're very proud of all those results on the high end. If you look at our product portfolio, it is a broad portfolio. If you're going to support that broad set of users we talked about, you really need a diverse product set. And it starts with software. We have software which we've had for many years that are used on large clusters like Parallel Environment, which is our protocol stack. The very large scale system deployment tool we have called XCAT, and very powerful file system software, GPFS. Recently we acquired platform computing, which has really given us tremendous capability to extend into mainstream technical computing, as well as to get more usability into our high-end technical computing products. And then that software supports a wide range of system solutions, everything from our power solutions in the upper left, which are both our mainstream power offerings with industry as well as special interconnects, and the extremely scalable BlueGene systems that are power-based. And we also support systems from the industry, rack-based systems from our System X product line. And we integrate all of that together in solutions which we call Intelligent Cluster, where the software is preloaded, the cabling is done in advance to make it easier for clients to get these clusters into place. And quite recently, we've combined our GPFS software with a hardware offering with the Intelligent Clusters to make a GPFS storage server, which makes it very easy for clients to get very scalable, highly reliable disk storage with a full cluster file system out of the box. And then we combine all of those together, the software, the systems, and the services, to provide high-end solutions and broad solutions supporting technical computing solutions for big data, as well as HPC clouds. So if we ask, how is it that IBM in particular supports this industry and provides value to our clients? And I would say it really comes down to people and our collaborations with clients, whether it's a collaboration with a major national laboratory to produce the largest supercomputer in the world, which may be a project that takes years, and a relationship that is formed over decades to really produce outstanding extreme scale results, or whether it's working with an individual scientist or an individual engineer in a university or in a research facility at an industrial facility to understand their algorithm, how they're running their system, and how they can deploy their maybe modest-sized cluster and be productive in the use of it. So a wide range of capabilities, but it's really the interaction of our people with our customers and our clients.